Hey everyone, check out the paddleboard wall mount rack by COR Surf. Designed to store your paddleboards, surfboards, or even kayaks safely and securely. This heavy-duty rack holds up to 2 boards off the ground with a generous 10-inch space between the padded, foam-coated arms to prevent dings and scratches. Installation is a breeze with included hardware and snap-in-place arms that make setup quick and hassle-free. Made from black powder-coated steel, it's sturdy enough to support up to 100 pounds, perfect for all types of paddleboards, including yoga, touring, racing, and inflatable models. The rack is great for keeping your boards organized in your garage or home, maximizing space and protecting your gear. COR Surf is a family-run company of passionate surfers and paddleboarders, so you know this product is built by people who truly understand the sport. Protect your boards and keep your space tidy with this reliable and durable storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.